Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
It's great to see you, Tom. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. A little hungry, actually.
Hungry? Did you skip breakfast?
No, I had breakfast, but I opened my refrigerator this morning and it was very empty. Almost nothing inside.
Oh no. That sounds like you need to go shopping.
Yes, exactly. I need to go to the supermarket, but I have a problem.
What's the problem?
I always forget what to buy. I go to the store and I think, what do I need? And my mind is blank.
Ah, I understand. You need a shopping list.
A shopping list, yes, but I never make one.
Well, Tom, that is perfect because today our topic is all about shopping lists.
Really? That's very lucky for me.
It is. And this is a very useful topic for everyone learning English. We all need to shop. We all need food.
That's true. Food is very important.
So today we will learn how to talk about shopping in English, how to make a list, and what words to use.
I am ready to learn. My empty refrigerator is ready too.
Perfect. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe to Everyday English Lab. It helps us so much.
And click the like button if you enjoy our podcast.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you all. We really appreciate your support.
Okay, Sarah, I'm ready. Teach me about shopping lists.
Okay, Tom. Let's start with a simple question. When was the last time you went shopping without a list?
That was just last week.
And what happened?
Well, I walked around the supermarket for a long time. I looked at everything, and I bought many things.
What kind of things?
I bought cookies, I bought chocolate, I bought ice cream, 3 different flavors.
3 flavors of ice cream?
Yes, they all looked delicious, and I bought potato chips and soda.
So many snacks.
I know. And when I got home, I realized something terrible. I forgot to buy milk, I forgot to buy bread, I forgot to buy eggs.
Oh no. The important things.
Yes, I had ice cream, but no breakfast food.
This is why we need a shopping list, Tom.
You are right, I see that now. A list helps me remember.
Exactly. A list keeps you organized. You don't forget the important things.
And maybe I don't buy 3 ice creams.
Maybe just 1 ice cream.
Okay, so how do I make a good shopping list?
Let's make one together right now. Let's help you with your empty refrigerator.
Yes, please, I need help.
First, we think about meals. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay, meals. That makes sense.
Let's start with breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast, Tom?
I like to have coffee. Coffee is the most important thing.
Coffee first. I understand. Do you have coffee at home?
No, I finished it yesterday. The bag is empty.
Okay, so we write coffee on the list. Do you need a big bag or a small bag?
A big bag? I drink a lot of coffee.
Okay, 1 bag of coffee. Now, what do you eat with your coffee?
Usually toast. Bread with butter.
So you need bread.
Yes, I do need bread.
In English, we don't say 1 bread. We say 1 loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread. That's interesting. Why loaf?
A loaf is the whole piece of bread before you cut it, like the shape.
Ah, I see. So 1 loaf of bread.
Good. And you said butter?
Yes, I need butter.
Okay, butter. Do you like anything else on your bread? Jam, honey?
Oh, jam. Yes, I love strawberry jam.
Okay, so we need a jar of jam.
A jar of jam, not a bottle.
No, jam comes in a jar. A jar is a glass container with a wide top.
I see. A jar has a big opening, a bottle has a small opening,
Exactly. Very good, Tom.
So we have coffee, bread, butter, and jam. What about eggs? I like eggs.
Do you cook eggs in the morning?
Sometimes, when I have time, I like scrambled eggs.
Okay, then let's add eggs. We usually say a dozen eggs.
A dozen? What does that mean?
A dozen means 12. It's a very common word for eggs.
12 eggs. Okay, a dozen eggs.
Perfect. Now, lunch. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually make a sandwich. It's fast and easy.
A sandwich is a great lunch. So you already have bread. What do you put in your sandwich?
I like cheese and maybe some ham or chicken.
Okay, cheese and ham. For cheese, we can say a block of cheese or sliced cheese.
What's the difference?
A block is a big piece. You have to cut it yourself. Sliced cheese is already cut into thin pieces.
Oh, sliced cheese is easier for sandwiches.
Yes, much easier. So, a package of sliced cheese.
A package of sliced cheese, got it.
And for the ham, also a package of ham.
A package of ham. Okay, got it.
Now, does your sandwich have vegetables?
Vegetables? Sometimes lettuce, sometimes tomato.
Good. A sandwich with vegetables is healthier and more delicious.
You're right. Okay, I need lettuce and tomatoes.
We say a head of lettuce.
A head of lettuce, like a person's head?
Yes. Lettuce is round like a head.
That's funny. Okay, a head of lettuce.
And for tomatoes, you can just say 3 tomatoes or 4 tomatoes.
Okay, I'll get 4 tomatoes.
Great. So now we have breakfast and lunch. Let's talk about dinner. This is the big meal.
Dinner. I love dinner.
What do you like to cook for dinner?
I like pasta. Pasta is easy and delicious.
Pasta is a great choice, so you need pasta. We say a box of pasta.
A box of pasta because it comes in a box.
Exactly. And what do you put on your pasta?
Tomato sauce. Red sauce.
Okay, tomato sauce. We say a jar of tomato sauce.
Another jar. Okay. A jar of tomato sauce.
Do you cook anything with the sauce? Onions? Garlic?
Oh, garlic. Yes, garlic makes everything taste better.
I agree. So, we need garlic. We say a head of garlic.
Another head? Lettuce has a head and garlic has a head as well.
Yes, they are both round, so we use the same word.
English is interesting.
It is. And for the onion, just 1 onion or 2 onions.
1 onion is enough.
Okay, pasta night is ready. Do you eat anything else for dinner?
Sometimes I make chicken with rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
It is, but I don't know what to buy.
Okay, for chicken, you need chicken breasts. Maybe 4 chicken breasts.
4 chicken breasts? Okay.
And rice. We say a bag of rice.
A bag of rice. Got it.
And vegetables. What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots and maybe broccoli.
Good choices. For carrots, you just say 5 carrots or 6 carrots. For broccoli, we say a head of broccoli.
Another head. Okay.
Now, Tom, do you have cooking oil at home?
Cooking oil? I think I have a little bit. Maybe not enough.
Then add a bottle of cooking oil.
A bottle of cooking oil.
And salt and pepper?
I have salt, but maybe I need pepper.
Okay, a container of pepper.
A container of pepper.
Now, let's talk about fruit. Fruit is very important.
I like fruit. I like apples.
Apples are good. How many?
Maybe 5 apples.
Okay, 5 apples. What other fruit?
Bananas. I love bananas.
Great. We say a bunch of bananas.
A bunch of bananas because they are all connected together.
Exactly. Very good observation, Tom.
Thank you. What about oranges? I like orange juice.
You can buy fresh oranges, or you can buy orange juice from the store.
Which is better?
Fresh oranges are healthier, but juice is faster in the morning.
Okay, I'll get juice. I'm always in a hurry in the morning.
Okay, so a carton of orange juice.
A carton of orange juice, like a carton of milk.
Exactly.
So we have food. Do I need anything else?
Yes, things for the house. Do you have toilet paper?
Oh no, toilet paper. I think I'm almost out.
Toilet paper is very important, Tom.
Very, very important. I need toilet paper.
We say a pack of toilet paper.
A pack of toilet paper.
What about soap for washing your hands?
Oh yes, I need hand soap.
Okay, a bottle of hand soap.
A bottle of hand soap.
And dish soap for washing dishes?
Yes, I need that too. A bottle of dish soap. I need many bottles.
What about laundry detergent for washing clothes?
Oh, that's a good idea. Yes, I need that.
A bottle of laundry detergent.
A bottle of laundry detergent.
And do you need toothpaste?
Toothpaste. Let me think. Yes, my toothpaste is almost finished.
Okay, we say a tube of toothpaste.
A tube of toothpaste. Because it comes in a tube.
Exactly. You're learning so fast, Tom.
Thank you, Sarah. This is very helpful.
Now let's talk about one more thing. Snacks.
Oh, I love snacks. This is my favorite part.
I know you do. What snacks do you like?
I like chips. Potato chips.
Okay, a bag of chips. Perfect. But Tom, remember, snacks are okay sometimes. But fruit is better for you.
I know. That's why I have apples and bananas on my list.
Good balance.
Yes, balance is important.
Okay, Tom, let's review your whole shopping list.
Okay, I'm ready. This is a long list.
It is. Let's go through it together.
Okay,
For breakfast, you need a bag of coffee, a loaf of bread, butter, a jar of jam, and a dozen eggs.
yes, that's right.
For lunch, you need a package of sliced cheese, a package of ham, a head of lettuce, and 4 tomatoes.
Perfect.
For pasta dinner, you need a box of pasta, a jar of tomato sauce, a head of garlic, and 1 onion. For chicken dinner, you need 4 chicken breasts, a bag of rice, a bottle of cooking oil, 6 carrots, and a head of broccoli.
Wow, I am going to eat very well this week.
You are. For fruit, you need 5 apples, a bunch of bananas, and a carton of orange juice.
Delicious.
For snacks, you have a bag of chips.
The best part,
And for the house, you need a pack of toilet paper, a bottle of hand soap, a bottle of dish soap, a bottle of laundry detergent, and a tube of toothpaste.
that is everything. My cart is going to be very full.
Yes, but you won't forget anything. You have a complete list.
Thank you so much, Sarah. This was very helpful.
You're welcome, Tom. Now you can go shopping with confidence.
Yes, no more ice cream and no milk.
Exactly. A list helps you buy what you need, not just what looks good.
And it saves money, too.
That's right. When you have a list, you don't buy extra things.
I learned so much today. I learned all these special words: a loaf, a jar, a bunch, a head, a carton, a pack, a tube.
These are very useful words. They make your English sound natural.
And I learned how to plan my shopping by meals.
Yes, thinking about breakfast, lunch, and dinner helps you remember everything.
This is a great system.
I'm glad you think so. And I hope everyone listening learned something useful today, too.
Shopping is something we all do, so these words are very practical.
Absolutely. Well, Tom, I think that's all the time we have for today.
Already? Time goes so fast when we're having fun.
It really does. Thank you so much for joining me today, Tom.
Thank you, Sarah, and thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you all for being here. We hope this episode helps you the next time you go shopping.
And remember to make a list before you go to the store.
That's the most important tip. A list makes shopping easy and stress-free.
Now, before we go, we have a question for all of you.
That's right. We want to hear from you in the comments.
Today's question is, what is one thing that is always on your shopping list?
Is it bread, milk, coffee, fruit?
Or maybe something fun like chocolate or ice cream?
Write your answer in the comments below. We would love to read what you write.
And if you want to practice, try to use the special words we learned today,
You can write a loaf of bread or a carton of milk.
or just write bread or milk. That's okay too.
The important thing is to practice and have fun.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And give this episode a like if you found it helpful.
It really helps other English learners find our podcast.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
We appreciate each and every one of you.
Keep practicing your English.
And we'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.